everybody, welcome back to my channel. You're having a great day, great night. A little different a video, but I wanted you guys to see my little puppy. And I was kind of about to come here and do a photo shoot, so I thought, why not introduce Mason? Mason, can you come here? Can you come here? Can you say hi to the camera? Say hi to the camera. Yeah. He is very, very attached to me. So Mason, I've had, oh, how old are you now? I think he's like 3 months or something like that. He's been a great dog. Oh my gosh, there's a hair in my mouth. He's been a great dog. He's getting really big real fast, so we're still struggling on the potty training part of everything. Yeah, we're still working. Mason, come back. Let's just show people you more. Yeah, come on. It's nice to see you. Yes. He loves carrots. Well, no, okay. He loves apples and peanut butter. Carrots are like, okay. And he doesn't like bananas. Yeah, bananas I gave him and he just like let it sit there. I was like, okay. But yeah, he's eating a lot. He's growing all the fun stuff a puppy does. He hates anything. He just hates the heat, to being hot. He doesn't like walks, and he's not like normal puppies that play a whole lot. Like, he plays and then he just sleeps. Even right now, I think he's like regretting. He's like, no, but oh, he loves drives, so that's good because kind of the point. But yeah, he loves just sitting in the car and being by me. If I leave to go places, like I've gone on a couple like trips, he just like, he's okay with like, 'cause my siblings watch him, he likes them, but like as soon as I come home, he freaks out. I'll go in the other room sometimes, different places, and he just, like, if he can hear my voice or he knows where I'm at, he'll like try to get to me. One time I left him and he cried like 40 minutes and then calmed down. So it was just really, really funny. He got attached super quick because we picked him up. The next day I was gone all day. My sister watched him. And the next day I was with him all day, but he wasn't attached to my siblings who'd been with him. He just wanted to see me and play with me, and he just likes to dig holes and sit underneath me or do whatever. So it's really cute and adorable. So I won't complain. But yeah, that's Mason. That's kind of the basics right now. We're kind of potty training, so then that's over, we're good. So